Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cecile. Meron tayong siyam na mga pagkain na pwede nating kainin para maiwasan ang anxiety. Unang-una dito ay ang salmon. Salmon is beneficial for reducing anxiety. Ang salmon guys ay mayaman sa vitamin D at omega 3 fatty acids. So, kung meron kayong salmon na mabibili, maiging kumain kayo madalas ng salmon. Pangalawa ay ang chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, guys, is an herb na tumutulong to reduce yung anxiety natin. Na-try ko dati to guys, kasi bumibili ako ng chamomile tea dati. So, mahabang panahon akong umiinom ng chamomile tea. And it's suiting you, especially pag bago matulog. And then, it's also contain vitamins na nakakatulong to lower yung inflammation pag may mga inflammation ka. Lalo na pag meron kang mga muscle pain, ganon. And then, this is also antioxidant. So, it's really good para sa iyong skin, sa iyong mata. So, try chamomile tea guys kasi na-try ko dati yan. Nakakatulong siya. It relaxes me pagka umiinom ako ng chamomile tea. And then, pangalawa guys is yung turmeric. Hanggang ngayon gumagamit din ako ng turmeric guys, which is turmeric or ginger, pwede mong gamitin yan kasi mayaman siya sa vitamina at saka anti-inflammation siya. So, pagka may anxiety ka, maiging uminom ka ng kahit yung mga turmeric o kaya sa mga pagkain pag nagluluto ka, pwede mong gamitin yung turmeric o kaya you can make it as a tea also or ginger kung wala kang turmeric. And then next is yung dark chocolate. Marami tayong chocolate guys na nabibili dito sa Pilipinas pero more on sweet siya. So, try to buy yung mga dark chocolate na yung mga ginagamit din nila para sa yung mga nagre-reduce ng fats or nagpapapayat. May mga ginagamit silang mga special dark chocolate. So, try dark chocolate kasi antioxidant din ang dark chocolate. So, try to eat those. And then, next one is yogurt. Yogurt is really good, especially in the morning. Kasi ano siya, antibacterial ang yogurt. At it's good for your mental health, ang yogurt. So, try to use yogurt, especially sa empty stomach. Pag wala ka pang kinain, ganun. Yogurt is really good. And you can add with banana pag nag-yogurt ka. Kasi rich in probiotic ang yogurt. Oh, so, try that one. And then, next is yung green tea. Green tea, guys, I use that for very long time na yung green tea. It can also help me to relax at saka cleansing siya, antioxidant. So, it's really good to use green tea once in a while or every day if you want. After kumain, after 30 minutes kang kumain, you can use green tea. It also help you to relax ang green tea. And the next one is almonds. Almonds is really good for the anxiety people kasi marami siyang nutrients na nakukuha sa almonds. And then, or nuts, you can also eat nuts pagka ikaw ay may anxiety. And next one is yung blueberries. Blueberries is really good kasi it's rich in vitamin C. It's good for your skin, it's good to relieve your anxiety. And after a few weeks, pag diretso kang kumakain ng blueberries, you can feel it pag may mga changes sa mga pakiramdam mo. Medyo ako guys, pag nagbo-blueberries ako ng continuous, nagkakaroon ako ng parang na-energize ako. So, try to eat blueberries if you can para ma-relieve yung anxiety ninyo. And the next one is yung egg. Boiled egg guys, early in the morning is really good kasi it also help you get your protein sa umaga, lalo na sa umaga guys kasi kailangan natin yung protein para maging malakas tayo. This is also rich in vitamin D ang egg. So for me, fried egg versus boiled egg, I'll go for boiled egg kasi mas healthy siya and less fats but rich in protein. And may additional ako guys para sa mga may anxiety. Pwede kayong kumain ng mga banana, mga oatmeal, mga meat na yung mga dairy products. Pwede kayong kumain nun. Yung chia seeds also you can try that. But for me yung chia seeds kasi I don't use chia seeds too much. Once in a while pwede akong gumamit nun. Kasi ang chia seeds is brain booster siya. So, it's good for your brain and it's rich in omega 3 fatty acid also. Just like salmon, para siyang salmon. And then also yung mga bell pepper. Bell pepper is good, rich in vitamin C. So try that also. Marami guys tayo mga fruits and vegetables na pwede nating kainin versus yung pagkain natin ng yung mga fatty foods. So, try to buy yung mga leafy vegetables also. Kasi ako guys, mahilig ako sa gulay talaga, kahit noon-noon pa. So, nakatulong talaga din sa akin yung pagkain ko ng gulay, more on gulay, and then less fats. And one thing is yung, if you are still in the process of yung severe anxiety, pag nasa category ka pa ng matinding anxiety, then for me, I will advise you guys not to drink coffee muna. And then pag medyo okay ka na, try to yung katawan mo hanggang masanay. You can drink coffee once in a while, or you can drink coffee 1 cup sa isang araw. So, for me guys, yun yung mga mas nabanggit ko ng mga pagkain na pwede yung alternative na makakatulong to reduce your anxiety. And yun lang guys, but sa pagkain, watch your food kasi may mga nakaka-trigger din na pagkain. And also, try to have your exercise at home pag medyo hindi ka pa makakalabas, hindi pa kaya ng katawan mong lumabas, okay lang yan guys. Magiging okay din kayo. Pero try to have an exercise at home, kahit mga simple exercise. You do your balancing guys. Yung balancing, it's very, very important. Yung tumayo ka sa isang paa mo for few seconds, few minutes, hanggang ma-balance mo yung sarili mo sa may mga nahihilo dyan. And the next video guys, na gagawin ko yung mga foods naman na iwasan natin para hindi ma-trigger yung anxiety natin. And yun lang guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye!